Using Amazon application for the Whole Foods is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how. You guys can use Amazon application for Whole Foods. Now there are different ways that you can use. In order to use it online, you have to go to your Amazon application, and here you have to simply search for Whole Foods, as you can see as such Whole Food Market, and after that I was able to find these information. Now Whole Food Market on Amazon is actually offers a doorstep deliveries or pickups in the selected cities, but this Whole Food Market is not available in my country or my city, so I cannot see the exact store right here, but in your case you will be able to see that, and you can do the delivery or pickup. It only depends upon you can also do the savings, so you can also find your nearest store as well, but in my region it is not available, so I won't be able to find it right here. But if you are in store, you can or simply scan your Prime code at the Whole Food, and you can also get some % off, so that's